Tommy had no home. His little life was filled only with hunger and fear.
Tommy had no home. His small life was filled only with hunger and fear. Every morning was a new battle for survival.
In the crowd of people, he was all alone. Everyone was busy, in a hurry for their lives.
Then came Rhea, a little girl whose heart was filled with love.
From that day, Tommy's life changed. He understood that love isn't just about a full stomach. Love.
Finally, Tommy found his home. This story of love proves that small, good deeds can bring big changes.